We are going to a cottage! Yay! So last year here, I'm gonna put you down so I'm not super shaky. There we go. Last year we went to a cottage up in Muskoka with the boss lady, Dana, and so this year she invited us again, and more of the girls are coming, which is super exciting. I cannot wait. We're just picking up Carrie right now, and then we're on our way. I mean, we'll be making a couple stops. We have to go to the liquor store still. I'm gonna get some sake, so I'm actually drinking this weekend. And what else do we have to do? We have to go to the grocery store. Other than that, we're pretty much ready. The car's loaded. I have cheesecake that Tracy made, and I made some homemade spinach dip. So it's gonna be super yummy. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, there's a little slide.
There are lots of children, lots of grandchildren. Yay! This is Rob's dad. Rob's dad is a gardener. This is him being a lazy gardener, technically, but I still think it's immaculate, even though he passes himself. So we have an actual like running pond and birds.
He's a little turtle. He's a little snapper.
Snapper? You're the wrong Carrie. I was crossing over.
He's a little snapper. You want to help him?
Hey, buddy. Oh yeah, he's a little snapper. No, he's good. Okay.
Oh yeah, he seems okay.
Oh my God, you're scaring me.
Hey, buddy, you gotta cross the road. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Good boy. Bye, buddy. Unlocking the gate. Carrie's doing great. Great things. We made it, and I love it here. It's very bougie. Hey y'all. Bye bye. Bye guys. I love you. Oh, hi. Guys, I'm already pretty drunk. It's good. We're having a good time. We're waiting for T-Bean. I miss my T-Bean.
Understand it? What's the point of the game?
Okay, so the last one to poop. Yeah, so does this mean like everyone runs to the bathroom and the last one?
Heading this way?
I understand it further, but there's not really anywhere further to go. Yeah, like webs that aren't being used anymore, yeah. And there's some... Bam!
What's wrong?
We made multiple.
Yeah, there was 2 for you, 2 for me.
Dude, they've literally come from across the lake. We're following the Ruby girls. There they go. Britt's in the front, and then there's Danielle.